Hi, it's Adam from realitymanifestation.com. In this video, I'm going to be going through how to manifest what you want using visualization. By the end of this video, you'll have a 3-step process to follow for clearing out negative energy and how to use visualization effectively to manifesting your goals. And also a very important common distinction to be aware of when it comes to manifesting anything you want. With that said, let's get straight into it. Visualization is a way of using our conscious minds, which is basically anything that we're consciously aware of and that we have conscious control over, to be able to communicate with our unconscious mind, which is basically aspects of our mind we have no conscious control over whatsoever. All we can do is use techniques and aspects of our conscious mind, such as through visualization, to be able to communicate to our unconscious mind. And it's through our unconscious minds we communicate with higher powers, our deepest parts of ourselves. You could class this as your soul, your higher self. The power to truly communicate with the universe, or God, or whatever you believe in, comes from the power of the unconscious mind. This is an important distinction to become aware of, because when you're intending to manifest something you're wanting, these higher powers also know what's in your best interest, and you also want to focus on getting the sensation or what you're wanting out of what you're intending to manifest. So for example, you might be wanting a promotion at where you work, and the reason you're intending for that is because you want more money to be able to afford a larger house or a nicer car. But you might only want the larger house or the nicer car because what you really want deep down is the approval of others, to feel like you're good enough. So if you were to become consciously aware first of what you're truly wanting and intend towards that, this will have a much more powerful impact on what you're intending to manifest, and aligning with what you truly want deep down on an emotional and unconscious level. I've already done a video on helping you find what you truly want deep down, and also how to get the most out of your visualizations, because just focusing on the visual images might not be the best way for you. So I highly recommend watching those videos if you're not aware of them already, before following the next 3 steps to use visualization to manifest. The first step you want to take is to clear any negative vibrations around you, as this can sabotage what you're trying to manifest. And it's a simple way of doing this first step. In a quiet room, get comfortable, seated, taking a big deep breath in and out through your mouth, and I want you to focus on the area of your heart. You can put your hand above your chest if this helps you to feel your heart, and I want you to focus in the area of your heart and filling it with love. Visualize this as a colour if it helps you, and as you start to create this sensation, allow it to grow and expand so your heart starts to become larger and larger with the sensations of the love, and expanding it in the room all around you so it completely fills the room that you're in. And then moving on to step 2 is you want to visualize yourself moving towards the goal. So you don't want to have your grand big vision overall goal in this visualization, but rather see yourself making progress towards what you want or your goal, and that everything's going well along the way, and you're having signs, synchronicities, or the answers just come to you for what to do. So just focusing and visualizing what's just currently outside of your current reality, even if it seems extremely difficult, as long as it's close to your current reality right now, then it'll be effective and it will work. And then step number 3, almost as important as the visualization itself, is to let go and to trust. If you're constantly trying to focus on something using your conscious mind, unless you're capable of creating the exact sensation of already having what you're wanting at will, which is extremely difficult to do, then you're potentially sabotaging and stopping your unconscious mind from manifesting what you want. So go and do something else that occupies your mind, if potentially that isn't related to your goal or what you want, unless you have to because it's work related. Just focus on the task at hand and only bring up the goal or what you're wanting to manifest when you go through these 3 steps and this technique again. Other than that, let it go and trust the power of your unconscious mind will bring it to you. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, if you could like the video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Also share this with anyone who you'd think would benefit from what's been covered within this video, and comment down below of any visualization techniques or what you're going to use the techniques from this video to manifest. I hope you found this video useful, and I shall see you soon.